Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. After a long, hot day of working outside, I can't wait to come in and feel the cool comfort of the air conditioning. But what if your home's air conditioning isn't working? Well, don't sweat it. Here are a few quick tips to try before you call a pro. First, make sure the thermostat is set to cool. You'd be surprised how often this tip helps. Next, check the furnace filter. If these aren't changed regularly, debris, dirt, dust, and pet dander build up and restrict airflow and make the AC work harder to cool your home. Now let's go outside. You want to make sure that the unit is free of any leaves, twigs, or other debris. There needs to be good airflow all around the unit. And then here, this is the big one. Back here, look for frost buildup on the refrigerant lines. Frost can be a sign that you're low on refrigerant. Refrigerant in older units is typically Freon, and newer AC units use a refrigerant that's more ozone-friendly and better for the environment. Checking refrigerant inside the AC unit takes special equipment and skills that even I don't have. So if your AC unit is blowing hot air and you need some relief, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.